Hey yo, good morning guys. What is good? I'm drinking honey and hot water. Anyways, today is a good day in Lake Ship, West Sikkim. I have some plans. I think later on afternoon meet Pranida. I need to call him up first if he's free or not. Let's see if I can do it today, guys. I want to give you all some good vlog for today. So stay tuned and cheers. Alright guys, I freshened up. I'm taking Tintin for a walk. Where is he? Ach! Yeah. I love this, guys. Max barbecue flavor. Sizzling barbecue flavor. It's one of my favorites. What's yours? I love Max. I love Doritos. I love that orange Lay's. Junk food in my bloodstream. What's up, buddy? Let's go. Let's go. Come. Aish. I don't litter around, guys. I've carried this in my hand. The moment I spot a dustbin, I'm gonna dump it in the dustbin. Swachh Bharat. I want to learn so many things in life. I mean, when I was in North Point, I took guitar classes for about a year. I didn't learn. Then I took violin. I didn't learn. Then I took piano also. That was the last. Yeah, guitar, violin, piano, all three musical instruments I tried to learn, but I did not. So I really want to be serious and at least one instrument in my life I want to learn. Most probably guitar, I think, but let's see. What is he doing? And this guy pees a lot. I mean, like like trick kya? Each and every spot trick. I don't know how he does that. Yeah, now I'll be heading up to Pranida's place, and I think I'm just gonna chill with him for a while. Hazar? यहाँ टोइलेटमा ए त्यो दिपक दाजु होइन खस्यो त त्यही त एउटै पब्लिक टोइलेट छ है लेक्सनमा स्याहार्दैन पर्ने अन्त मान्छेले चारैपट्टि हगेर मुतेर हिँडिरहेको हुन्छ. So guys, like I was saying, I'll be going to Pranida's place now, and I'll see you when I reach there, okay? And this is still in my hand. I'm looking for dustbin. I can't spot a dustbin. This looks like a dustbin. Oh yeah. And over here there was like lovely graffiti done by the guys over here. Mainly I guess Michael did it. He's a very good artist, guys. He does tattooing in MW Studios. Michael is a very good artist, guys. Mati Pranidako cafe ma pani no. Most of the graffiti is done by him. I mean the wall art. I'm gonna show you. And he does his tattooing in MW Tattoo Studios. It's in Manipal, Gangtok. It's a good place, guys. The MW guys, they even hosted this first tattoo convention. I think it was expo kind of tattoo thing, and I visited when I was in college. And the thing that the tattoo on my chest, I got it done over there. The main drawback was like I did it with this guy. I don't even know his name. I don't even have his number or email, anything. I don't even have him on my Facebook. So that's the drawback, guys. Otherwise I could have contacted him and told my tattoo got spoiled and you can help me. The thing is, guys, I mean, what I learned from my mistakes is right now you gotta focus on yourself, on your goals. I mean, you have your mom, you have your dad, you take care of them, take care of the people who love you. I mean, don't waste your time on stupid things. That's one advice I can give you guys. I mean, bad things happen to everyone. It's not just me. And I've been learning and just guiding myself to do better. And I wish the best for you guys. Everyone makes mistakes in their lives. We're all human beings. Life is a marathon. It's not a race. As long as you get there, it's for yourself only. And yeah, that's what I do nowadays, guys. I I neglected a lot in my life, and mostly all I do is I look up to good people. I don't care if they're my juniors or my seniors. I gotta stay humble. I gotta accept what are the wrongs and what are the rights. So that's one thing which I've learned in my life. So don't worry if you all have made mistakes in your life. Just move on with it. Just go with it, guys. Don't think too much. Overthinking kills. I don't know how to put this up. They say I'll just leave it. Anyways, whatever it is, guys, hope you all got the point. Don't think too much in life. Everything will fall in its place, and you will have a wonderful life after that, guys. मेरो हात दुख्यो यसरी पक्रेर. I'm about to reach Pranayda's place. So guys, I reached Pranayda's place. Music is being played, so I'm gonna catch up after some time. Alright guys, so in my previous vlog when we met Pranayda and Sonal, do you remember Pranayda was saying that usko song release huna aateko by the end of the year? So this is his song which they're playing from his band. I'm just gonna play. I'm just gonna put a little bit on the vlog. I don't want to spoil, any spoiler alerts. So you all should check it out. Nice. This looking so nice. On it. Guys, hit the like button if you all like the decoration. He's very creative, guys. He's not only an artist, he's very creative in what he does. So guys, this is the wall art. It goes all the way. Alright guys, I'm back home. Today I really enjoyed Pranayda's company. He really gave me so much ideas, so much content ideas for my YouTube channel. So he has been very supportive since the day I met him in Lakeship, and all he has done is given me so much knowledge on everything. He's the type of person who thinks outside the box, and I love him for that. He not only thinks about himself, not only for his family, but he thinks about everyone. So that's one thing I respect about Pranayda. Lakeship has been very stagnant over the past years. We are not growing at all as a bazaar, as a village. People need to reach out to each other. This generation, we are the kids, so that we can pave our own way for the future generation, so that we can help them. Right now, all the people he has been saying, like, people think about सानो सोचाइ हुन्छ हुँदैन यस्तो. We will not be doing that. If we try to bring something new in the town, and they'll be like no. So the message he gave me was like, never be afraid to try. Until and unless you don't try in life, you will not achieve anything. Imagine today if I didn't vlog at all, thinking about, no, I'm scared, I can't talk in front of the camera, I can't open up, then how will I have been reached to this point? So that was one thing he told me, and I really respected that. In all possible ways, I respect Pranayda's thoughts and feelings. He has been so intellectual, he has been so open-minded, and always he's been thinking outside the box. More or less, Pranayda, he's been not only a good brother to me, he's been like a mentor. He has given me so much knowledge on all possible ways just to open up and do good. So hats off to you, Da. Thank you so much for what you think and what you have planned out. So I'm gonna be there to support you full on, and all possible ways, any difficulties, ups and downs, but I'm sure with you, with your thoughts and ideologies, I am there to support you and reach out to the top. So he has this thought like about how we can have more of tourism inbuilt in our town, how there should be parks for old people, how there should be, new ideas where the kids can try out. And one of the main reasons, like, message he gave me was like, never stop believing. क्या? If you are afraid to do that today, then you will just regret that the entire time. चाहिँ if मैले किन गरेन खालको क्या. So without any further ado, I think I'm gonna end this vlog right now. I don't want to make it very lengthy vlog also. I did some talking, I went around. If you all think it was boring, I'm really sorry, but I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best to be very fluent. So that's about it, guys. And one more thing, guys. Today is my last day in Lekshep. I'll be going tomorrow. I'll be going back to Gangtok, and I'll be back before New Year's. So that's one thing. I'm sorry, Jigme, I could not meet you. You take care, brother. No, you take good care of yourself, and I'll be there before New Year's to meet you again. We're gonna jam up. So that was one thing, guys. Hope you all had a great day. Hope you all enjoyed my video, and love you so much. Peace out. Mr. Naste.